Hello, welcome to the overview of managing seasons here at the Space Coast Church Softball Association website. This is going to be a short walkthrough on managing seasons and teams, and I'll do another walkthrough on managing players and games, and that way they're easy to get to the parts that you want to see. The most important part of this managing seasons is that whatever season you have is active will dictate the teams, players, and games that you can see and add. So right now you can see that spring 2013 is the active season. If I go to all of these other pages, you're going to see spring of 2013 as the active season. So that is the core basis for adding any other information to the league, is picking the season that you want to add it to. Just as a quick example here, you'll see some of the 2013 teams here. So let's go to seasons and give a quick demonstration of picking a new season or a different season. I'm going to make spring 2014 the current season, which it actually is right now. And when it's done, you're going to see that the active season tells you it's spring 2014, and it's going to tell you that on all pages. And if we look at the teams, you're going to see this season's teams. There's no Life Point. We have Calvary Green, which was only for this season so far. So you can see how it loads up based on the season that you're looking at. So what we want to do is practice creating a new season, and the next season will be the fall 2014 season. We want to make it current because we want to add some new teams. So let's go ahead and add season. As soon as it's done, I'm going to go over to the Manage Teams tab and show you that there's no teams. So what I'm going to do is create a team, and I know one team that we will have is Calvary Black, and I'm going to misspell that. Here I'm going to select a coach. It doesn't do anything right now to select a coach, and as you can see, the coaches that we have aren't even in there. It is something I wanted to make for the future, where maybe coaches could come in and do things, manage their rosters, or send out emails to their teams from the site here. But as it stands right now, it doesn't do anything, and you don't have to pick a coach. So that's not something to worry about. So let's go ahead and create Calvary Black for the next season. Also, when I'm done with this, I'm going to delete what I've done so that you can get some practice. So here we go. I've got Calvary Black in for 2014 fall. And I noticed I spelled it wrong, so what I'm going to do is fix that. And put the K in. This says create team still, but it's going to update it if I have a team selected. It will create a brand new team if I have the select a team option. So let's go ahead and update Calvary Black to be spelled correctly. And there we go. Calvary Black is in there. We always seem to have a Calvary Navy. And we don't need to add a coach. And there we go. We've got our first two teams for the fall 2014 season. That's all I want to go over for this video. I want each video to be short. In the next video, I'll go over the different things you can do with players, and I'll probably do a separate video for managing games. Because our 2014 spring season isn't over yet, I'm going to go ahead and make that the current season again. That way the league stats will show up correctly for people visiting the website. If I left the fall 2014 up there, anyone who came to the website and looked at our stats page to see the current standings all they would see were the two teams with no wins and no losses. So I'm going to roll it back since our season's still going. And you can see once again that season's teams show up. So it should be fully functional, and if you have any problems, you can email me, Adam Heeg, at heegar@gmail.com. Thank you.